All right, here is the Solex compared to the maXpeed. They both have the air mixture adjustment and the rich and lean mixture adjustment. They look pretty darn similar. There's not a barbed fitting. I think one of the pictures might have shown a barbed fitting. This is just a regular push-on, same as the factory one. All in all, it looks pretty similar. You can see on here the lever's a little slanted out, and it has one less vacuum line. But I don't think that's going to matter because those mainly stay plugged off anyway. I did get the Vacuum Advanced distributor, so that is going to be good for me. I need that. You can see the difference in where this little spade connector is. So I'm going to loosen these. Actually, what I'm going to do to begin with, I'm going to put this on the car just the way it came. I'm actually going to use the cardboard gasket also just to see if it works, and I can change it later, but this video will be about this carburetor and how well it works right out of the box. And I'll go over the things I do also to make it run better, or the way it should, whatever. You can see right away, we've got these two jets here. This one only has the one, and it has the 55 in it. If it focuses, well, you're just gonna have to trust me. It says 55 right there, and that's the one that came in as a spare. I'm not sure why they gave two, but they did. The other thing we noticed, RC noticed, who wanted to be in on this. The plunger in here, the adjustment on the stock one, it's a little, I think like 8mm plastic kind of nut deal here on the back of the arm. You can see that. And what that does is that shoots when you first hit the throttle, this thing shoots fuel in to compensate for what you're asking for before the rest of it catches up. On this one, the back here is just fixed, and there's actually, it looks almost like this is adjustable here. I'm assuming when you twist it whichever way. This actually looks like it'd be a lot easier to get to. We'll know once it gets on the car, but I think that's just like an improved design. So, but at any rate, that's the two. I'm not going to mess with the choke until it's on the car. But I mean, all in all, it looks pretty good. It feels like a good build quality. That fuel shutoff solenoid thing, I'm not sure what it's really called, but see how big it is on that one compared to the little one over here. And maybe they'll be interchangeable, I don't know. But
new and improved.
Yeah. All right.